Creative Recycling Art Tutorial, Turning Trash into Treasure. Hey there, eco-conscious creatives, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of creative recycling art. If you're passionate about reducing waste and giving new life to old objects, you're in for a treat. In this tutorial, we'll explore some exciting and innovative ways to turn everyday items that might end up in the trash into unique pieces of art. So, grab your creative spirit and let's get started. Step 1. Materials and Inspiration. Before we begin, let's gather our materials and find some inspiration. The beauty of creative recycling art is that you can use almost anything. Collect items like old magazines, bottle caps, cardboard boxes, and discarded fabric. Explore online platforms like Pinterest or Instagram for upcycling ideas and inspiration. Step 2. Designing your upcycled masterpiece. Now that you have your materials and inspiration, let's brainstorm and sketch out your creative vision. Whether it's a mosaic, sculpture, or wall art, planning ahead will help you achieve the desired look for your project. Step 3. Decoupage magic. One fantastic technique in creative recycling art is decoupage. It involves applying paper cutouts, magazine clippings, or fabric onto various surfaces. It's an excellent way to breathe new life into old furniture or give a unique touch to decorative items. Step 4. Bottle cap mosaic. Save those bottle caps. Create a colorful mosaic by gluing bottle caps onto a piece of wood or canvas. You can paint them, arrange them in patterns, or even make a picture out of them. It's a playful and eco-friendly way to add character to your space. Step 5. Cardboard sculptures. Don't underestimate the power of cardboard. With some creative cutting, folding, and painting, you can transform cardboard into stunning sculptures. It's a low-cost and accessible medium that allows you to let your imagination run wild. Step 6. Fabric remnants art. Do you have old fabric scraps lying around? Turn them into textile art. Cut out interesting shapes, layer them, and sew or glue them onto a canvas or backing fabric. This technique can create eye-catching and textured artwork. Step 7. Eco-friendly paints. When working on your creative recycling art projects, consider using eco-friendly paints and varnishes. This ensures that your art remains environmentally conscious from start to finish. There you have it, an introduction to the world of creative recycling art. It's not only a fantastic way to express your creativity but also a meaningful approach to reducing waste and environmental impact. Remember, the possibilities are endless, and your imagination is your only limit. If you found this tutorial inspiring, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more eco-conscious content, and share your creative recycling art projects in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today, and happy upcycling!